Okay, this is our diode and its number is IN4007. There are different number of different diodes. This is a very basic PN junction diode, and how can we detect its cathode and anode? If you have marking on this side, then it is clear that this is our anode terminal and this is cathode terminal. You can say this is positive and this is negative, and current flow from this direction to this direction in this way, from this direction to this direction. If you have no marking on your diode, then you can check by using multimeter. This is our multimeter. You have to set this multimeter on continuity, and the pins are just like that. Black pin is connected with common and red pin is connected with this voltage, ohm and frequency measurement pin. Okay, then if you have no marking on the diode, then you simply connect these pins. If you get any value, you can see here we have no value, so it is in reverse bias, and this is, if we connect this diode just like that, negative here and positive here, then we get some values, and this is 572 ohm. And you can say here that this is our positive and this is negative, this is anode and this is cathode, and current flow from this direction to this direction. Okay, this is a very simple way to detect which side of diode is positive and this which side is negative, I think, and I hope you understand.